would like to introduce the SQE1 series, Panasonic's new lineup of 4K displays. The SQE1 series of high-quality 4K displays can be installed in places requiring reliability and durability, such as in mass transport and other public spaces. Seven models are available, from 98 inches to 43 inches. They can be used for a wide range of applications, from shopping malls and public facilities to store signage. Visibility. The SQE1 series has 4K high-image quality for displaying detailed images. Complex patterns and small-size text are also clearly displayed. IPS panels featuring minimal color change even when viewed from an angle accurately transmit information to people passing by. Reliability. The SQE1 series supports 24-hour operation. It offers reliable use in public spaces where many people gather, such as train stations, airports, and shopping malls, as well as in security and control rooms. Flexibility. The displays can be installed vertically, mounted on a wall, or tilted at an easy-to-view angle when mounted high up, and are perfect for timetables and digital signage. There are ample terminals, including 4 HDMI input terminals. 4K video can be displayed on multiple displays by DisplayPort daisy chaining. There are also USB Type-A and Type-C connectors. Connection to a PC or mobile device allows screen images to be displayed. And an HDMI CEC compatible device can be connected to the display with an HDMI cable for operation using a single handheld remote. Expandability. The SQE1 series is equipped with new slots of Intel SDM specifications. With an interface board, functionality can be expanded to suit the application. Content stored on a USB memory stick can be played by simply connecting the USB. Easily create 4K signage without a PC or set-top box. The SQE1 series features a pre-installed HTML5 browser, as well as built-in support for wireless LAN. HTML content stored on a USB memory stick can be opened from the browser. This makes it easy to show web content on the display as signage. And compatibility with Crestron Connected allows systems and equipment from other manufacturers to be smoothly integrated. The series is equipped with Wi-Fi and supports wireless display, a Windows PC standard feature, enabling wireless transmission from a PC up to 1080 60p. Give presentations without worrying about replacing cables or moving seats. The thin bezel blends well with any interior. Conformance to the VESA standard ensures compatibility with monitor stands and wall mounts. The remote control sensor is removable, and the installation location can be changed with either vertical or horizontal installation. The Panasonic SQE1 series, a new lineup of 4K displays for a wide range of applications, from public spaces to security and control rooms.